tiny but savage. Lenovo M90q Gen 5 i5 PC is straight up disrespecting laptops. Ever feel like your PC is straight up sabotaging you? You sit down, ready to crush your to-do list, but your so-called workstation takes 10 years to boot, freezes mid-project, and pretends it's allergic to multitasking. Deadlines creep in, you're late to meetings, and every click feels like you're playing roulette with your sanity. Productivity? Gone. Confidence? Shaken. You're not lazy, you're under-equipped. And let's be honest, you're starting to wonder if tech is supposed to feel this broken. Spoiler alert, it's not. You're trying to build an empire with a potato, and it's time to level up. Now the chaos is multiplying. That backlog of client work? Growing like mold in a college fridge. Your coworkers are outpacing you with faster rigs while you wait 3 minutes to open a spreadsheet. Notifications stacking like unpaid bills, apps crashing like your hopes on a Monday morning. The stress is real, and burnout is closer than you think. You've tried patching it, rebooting it, whispering sweet nothings to your old PC, but it's over. You need a machine that can keep up with the real you, the efficient, beast mode, multitasking version you were meant to be. Enter the Lenovo ThinkCentre M90q Gen 5, tiny in size, terrifying in speed. Powered by a 14-core Intel Core i5-14500, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and PCIe Gen 4.0, NVMe SSD, this miniature monster is the productivity glow-up your workflow's been crying out for. Whether you're running Zoom, Excel, Figma, and 30 browser tabs simultaneously, this PC doesn't blink. Thunderboot gets you up and running instantly. PowerShare USB charges your phone even when it's off. Need 4 displays? It's got you. Need security? It's locked tighter than your childhood diary, with vPro tech, TPM encryption, and BIOS that heals itself. Yes, really. Oh, and it's actually fun to use. Quick access ports. Toolless upgrades. AI fan cooling. HDMI, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, you name it. Plus, the design isn't just sleek, it's green. Built with recycled materials and eco-certified, the M90q is business-grade performance wrapped in guilt-free sustainability. Imagine ditching the constant reboot drama for a system that stays whisper quiet, buttery smooth, and always ready. Whether you're solo hustling, running a team, or just tired of wasting hours battling your gear, this PC was built to keep you in your zone. Wanna see what smooth feels like? Scroll down. So here's the move. Don't wait till burnout breaks you. This PC isn't just fast, it's flying off shelves faster than your deadlines hit. Thousands of pros, creators, and small business legends are already powering up with the M90q Gen 5, and their reviews are glowing. Reliable, secure, blazing fast, future-proof, and all in a palm-sized powerhouse? Yeah, the hype is real. You've tried duct taping your old system long enough. It's time to stop playing small. Grab your Lenovo ThinkCentre M90q Gen 5 today, before someone else upgrades while you're still buffering. Click now. Your workflow's new best friend is waiting.